Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Thomas. Today we're back here with, well, VRChat. Today, this one's on Bird Up. I don't understand that meme. I heard of it, I don't know. I know the bird, never understood where it's from. Maybe Monster Hunter, but then I got nothing. Anywho, let's get going. Be sure to like, subscribe for more. I hope you enjoy. Here we go. Here we go. There's the bird. This is gonna be a minute. Oh, there we go. Got him. Yeah, that's good.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. Oh boy. Bird up.
Bird up pig.
I'll try and get it.
Cathy?
Yeah, I know. That's some good eating.
Bird up. What the?
Carry me.
Oh.
That's the fun part.
Did you see?
Are you gonna carry me?
That's 2 for 2, Chimp. You owe me. They came in my inbox later. There you go.
Dog. Can I pet that dog?
That, oh.
Say bye, but what the f was that? Oh God, no!
I think he knows. I think.
God, no! Bird up! No!
I knew it. Hey, we got
He knows bird up.
He
He knows it.
hating again.
Bird up! No! Fucking shit. Oh God. Oh, fucking hell.
Steffi. Oh, fuck up. Shit. Give it a minute.
Bird up!
Literally.
Oh, right.
You bird up.
Yeah, bird up. I get it.
Hey, Steffi, you get it?
Why is there a clue?
Bird up.
That's just horrible. That's like low tier fun. Come on.
Bird up!
Better.
Yeah. But
Don't hunt me. Do not. You're not using my body for your weaponry.
Yeah, okay, it is Monster Hunter.
Hunters, am I right? Just
Hunters,
using
am I
our
right?
innocent bodies for weaponry and armor.
Oh.
listen, Mama needs a new hat.
Oh, I need to do
I
that.
need Gemma to make me something, and I can't do it without you.
Fine.
I've been shot. Please don't carve my corpse.
Before I cut your tail off, because I'm a great player.
Hey! Hang on!
Alright, craft me a weapon and alrighty, perfection.
Let me just.
No, come here.
Wait.
Yeah.
So here's the thing.
Ah. Okay.
You want to
Remember that one. Here's the thing, literally. Oh,
You can't
He
keep
doesn't tip
choosing
over, and
someone
here's
who
why.
doesn't.
here's why.
Right, you already.
I love you too. I mean, hey. Okay, I do actually have some cool things in this avatar, though. Do you want to see?
If it's a letter C.
Yep.
Hey, get back here. I'm not done with you.
He's like, because he's not a fan of getting trolled.
You're just gonna pull out you.
Come on, get back here.
Don't kill yourself.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm not done with you.
Dude.
Come on. Hey,
That's the fun with the thing now, wow.
This is perfect love.
chill out.
Chill out.
I've been outplayed.
Yeah. Any more?
I think it's finally time
Yeah, any
to
more?
retire.
Yeah, any more?
Literally crazy.
Crazy.
Literally crazy. No, seriously, look, like seriously, this is insane.
Time to retire.
Like this. You see this?
I don't want to see this. I want to see that.
I mean, but I have more.
Ah!
Oh, God. Just getting bullied.
Body cannot do these three things.
Oh?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
What?
okay,
What
okay.
can they do?
You cannot keep your eyes open when you sneeze.
That was felt weird.
Yeah.
You cannot stick out your elbow and touch it to your chin.
Elbow.
This
is nice.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, I don't think I can.
Even though it seems crazy, you cannot stick out your tongue and breathe out your nose at the same time.
What?
I'm doing it.
Hey, put your tongue back in your mouth. You look like an idiot doing that.
That up.
You look like an idiot doing that.
You look
Hey,
like
put your
an
tongue
idiot.
back in your mouth.
But
It works.
The human body cannot do these three things.
Three things,
You
okay.
cannot keep your eyes open when you sneeze.
it's voluntary.
Okay, fair enough, yeah.
You cannot
I mean,
stick
yeah,
out your
okay.
elbow and touch it to your chin.
Elbow and touch it to my chin.
Does the inside of the elbow count?
No, no.
No, the outside.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's like.
You cannot stick out your tongue and breathe out your nose
Oh.
at the same time.
Oh, that's fun. That's fun.
Hey, put your tongue back in your mouth. You look like an idiot doing that.
Well, you do expect smart people here.
You look like an idiot doing that. You look like an idiot. Put your tongue back in your mouth. You look like an idiot doing that.
You know what? I won't.
You got it. RP, dude.
RP? Oh, God. Wait, what? Oh! Oh, my God.
Oh.
Oh, what? Aw. Damn it.
I'm like,
Alright.
Oh, God. Let's see if this
Pokeball,
works.
go.
Oh, wait, is this actually a two thing? Oh, keep it close! Keep it close!
Oh!
Move it down! Wait, what?
And now I beat it with a stick.
Oh, invincible, hello.
there we now we're talking.
The other hand?
This one,
Wait,
okay.
wait, what's going on?
That's not nice.
Walking down the street with your best bro, and while you're walking, you accidentally touch hands. You think to yourself,
My music is so much fun.
Oh!
Sorry, I thought it was a supervillain.
Yeah, fair.
Make sure you get it
down the street
anytime.
with your best bro.
Landmine!
Landmine! Oh! Ow, my ass!
Oh. How am I supposed to smash Adam Eve now? No, yeah, I'm fine. You can say I'm
Invincible! Yeah, we all did. I had a feeling what's coming. Oh, I gotta admit, Cena just get like bullied, like with the whole "here's the thing" and all that. You know what I mean? It's so funny as heck. All right. Anyway, so this one's a bit of an ender. This one's called "Roxy's Angry." Wonder is that a raw?
Polly, come here,
Oh,
come here.
hello.
Up here.
The human body
Hello.
cannot do these three
Oh,
things.
the tongue thing. Oh boy.
You cannot keep your eyes open when you sneeze.
Okay.
You cannot stick
Maddie?
out your elbow and touch it to your chin.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you can't because it's on the elbows on the outside.
Alright, you can
I have
do
little
it.
arms.
Okay, here's an easier one.
Even though it seems crazy, you cannot stick out your tongue and breathe out your nose at the same time.
Did she do it?
Did you fall for it?
Did you actually
Put
do
your
it?
tongue back in your mouth. You look like an idiot doing that.
Roxy, you good?
Do that to look like an idiot.
You look like an idiot.
What?
Something
that looks like
an idiot.
Here's an
avatar for that.
You look like an idiot.
What? Did you actually do it?
Cute.
Yep.
Yes.
I'll take that as yes.
You look like an idiot.
Yeah, I'd probably take that as yes, too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you for the next one. Laters.